What's up YouTube, it's Tanner James. I'm back with another video. In this one we're going to be opening up a Bape mask. Let's get into it. Dude, you're...
Can I just be in like in the back, like just sitting right here?
Yeah. Alright, so here we go. We got some other Bape products coming in soon. Bro, pull your pants up. Keep your pants up now. Damn. We got some other Bape products coming in soon. Here's the first one. Real Bape. $1.6 million. Hey, maybe these bags are smell proof. That ass. Here's the first one. That one's sick. Nice material. Full logo. Bro, keep your shit off. Here's the second one. All black. First one was camo. This one's all black. The logo. That's nice. It's Dr. Pump in this bitch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You look massive, bro. Andre's drinking. No way. That was sick, dog. Alright, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see me unbox. Subscribe. See me more often. Post video every day or two. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
We ain't pouring no cheap shit. I got a freak chick that only let me hit, but we don't even speak it no more. And if she got a friend, it's a tag team for sure. And if she got a few